Happy Father's Day here in the Seaton compound. Been playing some music out here, having a couple beers, of course. Life was good. Life is really good. Yeah, whatever. We got George, can't stand ya. Can't stand ya. You got Jaws. You guys know what it's all about. Let's go in and say hi to the family real quick. We got a good family here. Oh, so I got the trampoline up today. Look at that. Shit, that's what I can only dream of when I was a kid. I'm able to do that for my daughter. Check out this view, guys. It's not looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Yeah? Got some high clouds moving in, but it's been a nice day today. I got the lawn all manicured. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, there's a glare. I can't see what you can see. All right, let's head inside in the Seaton compound up here. Dutch.
He's keeping us company.
Okay.
Dutchie, are you in
Dutch
the
is
way
keeping us company. They're doing a puzzle.
Dutchie, are you in the way for our poopy butt picture?
Wow.
Hold on. Move your arm back a second. I'm kidding. Roxy. Hi, girl. Hello. Hello. Where's the other kitties at? All right, we got. Oh, there's Bailey. She's the one that you don't want to be around because there might be a little bit of a smog around you. She farts a lot. And we got Cosmo up here. Hi, Cosmo.
Okay.
We gotta go find Quint, the other. Oh, there he is. He's right there by my computer. Hi, Quint. Yeah. He sleeps in between us at night. He's a good boy. Hi, Quint. Alright. Been a good day. Let's head back outside. I'm not going to monetize this one, obviously. Here, let's get... You know, I want to listen to some Creed. I want to listen to some of my music. I got it good. I got it good. Ugh. Been using this bad boy all day today. That's why my lawn looks so good. Shh. Have you guys seen my Husqvarna mower? Let me show you. Doot. Somebody make a comment that my license plate show. They know where my address is. I'm a business owner. Everything. Look at the old Bosch running good. Isn't that pretty? That's a lot of hot air right there. If you want to get warm tonight, you know, and that sucker. Yeah, this thing purrs like a kitten. Yeah. A bunch of leftover mulch from when we did the play set. Oh, it feels so good. If you want to get warm. And this line is very cold. Alright, let's go over to... So there's my Husqvarna. I need to get my pressure washer and spray them off, but this thing, that's a fucking workhorse, man. Between that and the M18 string trimmer, we're killing it, man. Come on, let's check out the lawn. Let's go check out the lawn. Let's open up the old gates. I've been killing it out here. I did this all myself. I was hiring a guy, and he flaked on me. That's what landscapers do. Let's check this out. Look at this beautiful. A sprinkler over there to hit that dry spot over there. Huh? Too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's get the sun out of there. I'll turn it around. It's the money shot right there. Got these beautiful trees here. I got my big sprinkler out there, taking care of that dry area out there. But check this out, guys. finished that up today, her trampoline, of course. She's got a little, I don't know what they call that thing, the water table. She's got her sandbox there and her little play set. Unfortunately, that black dog I showed you, she digs holes, so we got holes everywhere. So if I fall in a hole, I'm sorry, I won't be able to see you tomorrow. I'm gonna die. But check this view out, guys. I get to see that. Here, let's walk up on the deck and I'll show you my real view. Oh, it's got her pool there. It's a little dirty. We got a skimmer coming. That's the dog pool. Hard to maintain all this, man, when you're running an HVAC business. I got my Oregon Ducks flag, which this thing, I gotta buy a new one. It keeps getting caught on that. And I got my American flag. I got my We the People flag there. If you don't like it, tough shit. Check out my view. Yep. If you go way over there, I got my Mount Hood, the highest mountain in Oregon view. Life is good out here in Central Oregon. I just need to find a good right-hand man. You want to come out here and hang out with me? I don't think it'd be that bad of a thing. See you later.